interest in mind. அடித்தாலும் தப்பு என்ன சொன்னாலும் எது பண்ணாலும் that is the only that boy who can have that faith, he starts obeying totally. Unless we obey, how can we get the result? Doctor could have prescription he gives you 3-4 conditions. Unless you obey that, how are you going to improve? It's not possible. The doctor is doing nothing. Your obedience is giving you the result. The same thing here with Master. This teachings, when we keep obeying implicitly and start feeling the changes in us, well, to me, he is the God, because that God has not been able to change me for 84 lakhs of lives. Whichever God, whoever it is, who is existing anywhere. And first thing. Secondly, that God has no mind. Not have no mind. He cannot have mind. Let's say God has a mind. He is like me. He will like somebody, he will not like somebody. So God cannot have mind. Not that. He cannot have mind. Because then he has limitations of desires, likes, dislikes, all those things. Then he is also creating samskaras. So what are you expecting from him? So God has no mind. So then how am I interested in somebody who has no mind? He cannot respond to me. And that is why he has sent out somebody. He says, friend, he is like me. He will bring you to me. இப்போ இங்கிருந்து 5 வயசுல ஏதோ பையன் வந்துட்டுருக்கான், அவனுக்கு 30 வயசு ஆயிடுச்சு, அவனுக்கு வீட்டுக்கு போகிறதுக்கு தெரியாது. He wants to go home. We meet somebody. You say, yes, I will take you. I know where your people are. That's like that. That is the master. Master is not Patel or Dhirubhai Ambani or anybody. It is his representative.
Actually, this has got so we are the instrument. So master teaches us how to use the instrument to understand the superior. So we have the instrument, but we don't know how to use the instrument. So master teaches us how to use the instrument properly to understand to reach the superior. So this is in my understanding. So if
your understanding is correct.
Anna, what is God in Gita?
The discussion in
okay.
our prayer
இதுக்கு
regular actually.
இல்ல
இதுக்கு எப்படி நம்ம அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் பண்றது அப்படினா your understanding is absolutely correct. Because we are the instrument, நம்ம தான் நம்ம ரிசல்ட் நீ கேட்டா கூட அத பேசிக்கணும். நம்ம எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்றோம், நம்ம ரிசல்ட் நம்ம தான் பண்றோம். He certainly is guiding.
அந்த பவர் எப்ப
இங்க வந்து இந்த நம்ம பிரேயர்
அதுதான் இந்த மாதிரி பண்ணறச்சே உங்களோட இதெல்லாம் அந்த கான்ஷியஸ்னஸ் எல்லாம் evolve ஆச்சு. You get the godliness, you become God. Yes.
See, so I am not trying to make any thing on him, because அவர் வந்து ஓப்பனிங் ஸ்டார்டிங் லைன் கொடுத்தாச்சு. Now, how the chap runs up to the end of the 100 meters end, that nobody can control, isn't it? This is your starting line. Everybody starts. That finish line is there. Now, how each one does is differently. Here, start line, they've said, he is the God. Because which master, he cannot be a master who says, I am God. How can he say that? You tell me. What's the difference between him and me then? He cannot say, I am the God, please you address it to me. No. No master of this caliber can say, but he will create a condition in you that you realize the godliness in him. That now it is your ability to realize that what he is trying to do for me. See, in love, God is love. So Master has come to teach us that divine love. So he is creating the environment, he is helping you to create that environment. Now you have to, if you haven't been able to, we must cry out our hearts out. That why am I not seeing? Why am I seeing anything beyond you? For example, I say that you are my existence, my very existence. I always say I cannot call you Daji because without a master, I have no existence in this world. Oh, what am I? I exist because there is a master for me. So when that state must come, if it doesn't come, we must cry our hearts out because that's precisely what he's come to say. And that is precisely why he has sent out this human form. That look, you cannot understand me because I am beyond all your understanding capabilities. I have no qualities. How do I even tell you? So here I send you somebody who can make you experience me. God is to be only experienced.
So the end realization இருக்கலாமா நான் தான் கடவுள் அப்படின்னு
நான் தான் கடவுள்.
நான் தான் கடவுள்.
I am the God.
இல்லை இல்லை self
You will
realization.
get the நம்ம God is equal to some qualities னு வச்சிருக்கோம். Either you want to
அந்த
be
ஃபீலிங்
like
கிடைக்குமான்னு கேக்குறேன். அந்த end அந்த ரிலேஷன் ஃபீலிங் வந்து ஓகே
எனக்கு எப்படி தெரியும்?
இல்ல அது பண்ண
ஹைபோதெட்டிக்கல்
இல்ல உங்க ஹைபோதெசிஸ்க்கு நான் சொல்றது அது பண்ண அந்த மாதிரி ஃபீலே போயிடும். அதான் ரிசல்ட். நோ இப்படி உல்டாவா ஆச்சுன்னா அது சரியா இல்ல.
அசம்ப்ஷன்
It will not definitely the result
could be
Need not look all that thing. We just need to have
just said no that's what I want.
what
See, the whole
definitely
concept
it
is
will not.
self-actualization.
அது பண்ணி
Self-realization.
ரொம்ப
Self-actualization.
சக்கல நான் தான் கடவுள்னு நினைக்க ஆரம்பிச்சுடுவேனான்னு கேக்குறேன்.
Like that is
அதெல்லாம் சினிமால தான்
feeling
நடக்கும்.
Yeah, madam, that is a point. That is a point.
there is a thing.
That is a point
You
of
feel that I am God. Everything
Adan.
around me, there is that,
My
but it's a
understanding.
temporary thing.
அது
And
பெரிய
I-
ஈகோ ஆயிடுமே.
இல்ல that is a point. That's the
The
actualization.
soul what we have is
கிடையாது யூ ஆர் ரிலேட்டிங் டு சம்வேர் அதெல்லாம் ஆக்சுவலைசேஷன்லாம் கிடையாது
வராது.
there is a certain stage where we will reach where you will feel this also,
is that I am God.
but that's very temporary
Temporary because the master doesn't permit you
to stay in that position.
spoil your.
இதுதான் journey, இதுதான் யாத்ரா. There is a stage in between where you will feel I don't need anything also. There is a stage where you will feel nothing other than Sahaj Marg. There is a stage you will feel why am I here? இதெல்லாம் தாண்டி போய் தான் you will reach a stage where there is nothingness. என்ன நடந்தாலும் I am not affected. இந்த கேள்வியெல்லாம் வரவே வராது. அந்த ஸ்டேஜ் தான் நம்ம ரீச் ஆகிறதுக்கு அண்ட் கோயிங் பியாண்ட் தட் ஸ்டேஜ் இஸ் வாட் வி ஆர் ஆல் ஒர்க்கிங். இட் இஸ் நாட் ஆக்சுவலைசேஷன். நோ,
It's a journey.
நீங்கள் சொல்கிறது வந்து நாட் ஆக்சுவல் நாட் ஐ எம் கோயிங் டு ஃபீல் காட்லி அது கிடையாது.
டெம்பரரி
அது எல்லாம் ஒரு ஸ்டேஜ் இருக்குது அதில். இந்த புக்கை படிச்சீங்கன்னா இந்த
கெப்பாசிட்டி வரவும் வராது. பிகாஸ் நம்ம வந்து காட்னா என்ன பண்ணிருக்கோம், நம்ம டெஸ்டினியை சேஞ்ச் பண்ணுவாரு. ஹி இஸ் வெரி பவர்ஃபுல். At a point, even if you reach that point, I don't think you will be capable to change our destiny. எல்லாம் அப்படியெல்லாம் அந்த அளவுக்கு சுப்பீரியரா யாரும் வந்தது கிடையாது.
இன்னொன்று இந்த சுப்பீரியாரிட்டி இன்ஃபீரியாரிட்டிலாம் இல்லை. இப்போ தான் படித்தேன்னா டெஃபினிஷனே இல்லை காடோடு.
It is just a perception.
There are no fixed qualities. There is no definition.
நம்மளாயிட்டு வச்சிட்டு
How
இருக்கிறது
do you
God is equal
recognize
to
that?
the
Only by this. That
இல்ல இப்போ
recognize.
ஒரு சாரிஜி கூட ஒரு காமெடி சாரி பாபுஜி வந்து காமெடி பண்ணியிருக்காரு. ஒரு அபியாசி வந்துட்டு கேன் யூ ஷோ மீ காட்னா வந்து ஈவன் இஃப் ஐ ஷோ சம்படி ஆஸ் எ காட் will you understand whether he is God or
இது
not?
நம்மளோட ஒரு அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்டிங்.
Will you believe?
அப்படி இருப்பார், நம்மளா ஒன்று பண்ணிடுறது.
நம்ம பர்செப்ஷன் தான். நீங்கள் சொன்ன மாதிரி ஒரு ஹைப்போதேசிஸ். Are we actually running behind a hypothesis?
That is one. Secondly, in our present miserable state, why are we concerned with that highest state?
No, we must concern.
This is
Our
what
goal should be
discussion.
highest.
Goal is
highest.
We
Clearly.
must concern about the goal.
Concern
We
கிடையாது.
have a correct understanding about the goal.
Goal is very clear. Look for that. That is why he says at bedtime keep meditating on the meaning. Different meanings will come to you. Keep praying that let the correct meaning come. If it still doesn't come, there is something wrong.
No, there is no correct meaning, wrong meaning.
Ah,
Because
there is
it-
no
yeah.
meaning. And instead of all that difficulties, He's the goal. Master is the goal. The meaning is very clear. Now he is the real, he is the goal for us. Why he is the goal? Because we have to merge with it. Our goal should keep on shifting. It doesn't finish. Finish ayachanaka, there will be a big problem. We don't know what to do. So it keeps shifting. The goalpost keeps changing. Here, there's no fixed goalpost. It is infinity. Yeah. So here immediate is this. அதுக்கப்புறம் இருக்கு இன்னும் இருக்கு. Even after you leave this body, so much more to go. Where it ultimately will go and merge in that God. He is the ultimate God. Then, under conditionally, we may be able to understand what is God. It's like trying to understand now what a doctor is doing for my heart problem or something. We don't know. So we are leaving it to him to do it. Maybe we develop to that level. From there, it's like a 6-year-old boy saying, why is my father doing like this? That same fellow, when he becomes a father, he says, now I understand why my father used to say like this.
Okay, is that the only objective of the human life? அங்க போய் நிக்கிறது.
No.
Then it will take care.
Objective is to evolve out of, firstly, human life, objective is to evolve out of this body. And with the help of a master, do the highest. Like objective is to pass class 6, but there is also an objective is to score sentiment pass out of this.
Yes.
There is a lot of
Yeah, yeah.
That's all. Do the maximum. Master புரிஞ்சு எடுத்து maximum புரிஞ்சு எடுத்துட்டு அது வரைக்கும் போகணும். The other chap says, okay, I get liberation, okay. But which Babaji discourages, highly discourages. He is not a true abhyasi. A true abhyasi is one whose goal is always the ultimate, highest. Only that is a true abhyasi. Others are not true abhyasis, according to Babaji. He is abhyasi, all right. So why should we obey him what he says, highest? Out of this. But
Just
over
follow
stage
the-
alone, we'll start understanding.
When our
And
practice
perhaps-
is sincere.
Perhaps we'll reach a stage where we'll be able to understand. And it's not understanding God, it is realizing.
Realizing.
We cannot understand. Okay, mango. Can you understand a mango? You can understand its qualities. Unless you become a mango, then you say, okay, can you understand how a dog feels? We say we are behaving like animal, that animal will feel angry. How dare you say? We don't know unless you become a dog. You don't know how a dog thinks, isn't it? But we can understand everything about a dog, but not what is a dog. What is a dog? Impossible. What is a mango? You know, it tastes this, it tastes that, all about a mango, but not what is a mango. You can't. You have to go to that level. Time is going to be 10 o'clock. Better leave.
Okay.
Just say.